This is the A1 on Wednesday, the 6th of January at roughly 8 PM. And probably what they're calling one of the worst winters we've ever had. That's northbound, A1 northbound. As you can see, the traffic's very slow, very sparse as well. Not many cars. In fact, it's getting fewer and fewer. And that's northbound, and this is southbound. And this is the A1. And believe it or not, that was a Sainsbury's fresh frozen food van just gone up. How appropriate. Well, look over here, it's like a winter wonderland just off the A1. Look, some nice little Christmas trees there, looking beautiful in the winter. Southbound. Some cars, probably off the Nissan. I've not seen anything like this. Taxi driver there. Doesn't know. Garfield travel. Snow's easing off a bit, visibility's getting a bit better, as you can see. You can see quite far up the A1 north there now. What about south? Yes, southbound's the same.